Hi guys, in today's video, I will be sharing with you a Chanel, Hermes, and Louis Vuitton unboxing. But this video will only be dedicated to a Chanel unboxing, and the Hermes and Louis Vuitton unboxings will be uploaded in a different video. I have like 4 boxes here. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. I've had these packages like 1 to 2 weeks already, but since then I never had a chance to open this yet because of work. But today is the perfect time to do that and share with you all. If you are new to my channel, my name is Anne. I've been collecting luxury items since October of 2018, and since then I had accumulated like a small amount of luxury items collection. If you wanted to see that, I will link in the description below. And if you like these kinds of videos like unboxings, reviews, what fits in a bag, and things like that, please like and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell for you to be notified of my upcoming videos. So, without further ado, let's start and unbox these beauties. Okay guys, like what I've mentioned earlier, the first 2 boxes that I'm gonna show you will be a package from Chanel. So first, the brown box came from Houston, Texas. So we will open this first. Okay guys, so first impression on this beautiful 20S classic zip card holder. First of all, the color is in purple. Leather is in caviar leather. The zipper runs smooth, no doubt about that. This piece is made in Spain. The authenticity card is here and the RFID tag is here. There's no slit pockets inside. It's just the tag and the serial number. This piece is very lightweight. The puffs are soft and buttery and also shimmering. The hardware is in light gold hardware. The zipper is a leather pull tab with no Chanel written on it. It's just a plain zipper pull. So this chain and the clasp is also in light gold hardware, but it's not as heavy as I'm expecting it. It is very, not very, but it's lightweight. There's also a Chanel logo embossed on the round clasp. Nothing on the other side. So this is a cute pop of color. This piece came from Chanel in Houston, Texas. So I had it delivered from there. My SA tracked it down and she found one from the Houston branch. So yeah guys, this is my first classic zip card holder, 20S, color purple, caviar leather in light gold hardware. A very nice pop of color from Chanel. Okay guys, the next box that I'm gonna open is another package from Chanel, but this time this came from Chanel Bal Harbour in Florida. I am expecting 2 Chanel pieces inside this box, so let's check it out. Okay guys, so I'm gonna tell you my first impressions on this 20S classic card holder in color pink. It's a snap card holder. 20S has a nice pink color. One back slit pocket here, one main compartment here, and another front slit pocket. Caviar leather all throughout. The interior of the snap card holder has a like a fabric lining inside, but this part is also in caviar leather. Caviar leather itself is also soft and buttery, shimmery quilted puffs. It is in a light gold hardware, and what can I say? I was not really floored when I see this, but it's just me. It's a nice cute pink color, but when I also open the Minio case, it has a nice puffy quilt, buttery soft, same zipper pull tab. It's just a plain pull tab, leather pull tab with no Chanel on it, with a light gold CC hardware. When I opened it, it's just, if this one is made in Italy, authenticity card is here, RFID tag is there. It has a interior textile fabric. What makes me not so excited about this is that whenever you open this, and I just remove the padding inside, the paper pad inside, and I already saw creases in this caviar. That makes me not so happy, and it's a brand new Minio case. I don't also see any seal on top of the CC logo as compared to this snap card holder that has the seal is still intact. This one has none. I don't know if I should return this. I'm not really sure, just because I opened it. The OCD that I am makes me like not so happy seeing my caviar leather wrinkle like that, and I haven't used it yet and it already wrinkled like that. So that's a little downside for me, but this is a cute classic piece from Chanel. So yeah, I'm just not sure about the Minio case, to tell you honestly. This purple color really makes your heart sing. I like and I love this purple color. I've been a purple lover since I was young. This one and this, I'm not sure, probably I will have it exchanged to a purple color, but let's see. I'm gonna sleep into it. Maybe I will like it tomorrow, but this one for sure I'm gonna keep because I love the purple color. So cute and looks so yummy. Alright guys, so that's my unboxings for my small leather goods from Chanel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. I'll see you again in my next video.